Jake, do not make me go down this ramp
We gotta go that way.
uncontrollably.
It's right there.
Oh my God.
Meow. Wait, this is not the right way. I like it. This is hard to control. Are you sure we're in the right place?
I think, that's hurting my foot. The orangutans are out, but they're way in the back and we can't see them. Now that statue matches up with Everest. Okay, can you go backwards? Isn't that cool? Okay, now you can go. What was that?
I think it was like wrong. Once we get past the rock, I'm fine.
You good? It's so smooth. Oh my God, that'll make you puke. All right, Jackson. Here we go. Round two.
We didn't get back row though.
Por favor.
Y'all ready to climb the Mount Everest? It's the tallest mountain in the world. Chloe, what was the tallest mountain in the world before Mount Everest? Mount Everest!
All right, that's enough.
One more. Don't show me
The kids are hot. So, as you notice, we are at Animal Kingdom today. I am
Sorry, I have to say that.
in a wheelchair because apparently when I fell the other day, I did hurt myself, but I didn't realize it was as bad as it is. So, my kids are pushing me around the park in a wheelchair, and they're really exhausted and hot right now, so we're taking a rest.
You're not hot at all.
I know, I'm not. I feel great. Temperature feels great. I don't have any sweat. I'm sorry.
You want a tray later?
I'm sorry. No. No. It's kind of nice being catered to for once. So we just went to check out the Lion King show times, and Tim Tracker said they were getting ready to open the Lion King. Well, they're not. So we were a little disappointed we don't get to see that show today. I heard it's really, really good, but no Lion King show.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll.
We're rolling.
Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino. Make it!
Oh my god! Are you guys okay?
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything.
I was doing this the whole time, so I couldn't hold on. Do that again? No. I'll do it worse than ever.
I don't remember
Please
that
gather
being so
personal
rough.
belongings from the pouch in front of you
Like that
until
owl.
the robot comes to.
Ow.
One more down. I feel like we're in Tennessee again.
I know, I wish. Waiting in line for Pandora's Navi Journey.
Pandora.
It's so pretty.
Look at these pink things over there.
Oh yeah? I can't really see them.
The inside looks pretty. Hi, Jack.
Oh my gosh.
That is pretty. It is. Campground in here.
Remember to wash your hands frequently throughout your visit.
Look at the things crawling on the trees. See the people? So a little bit of information that the guy gave me when we were waiting in line for the Navi River is when you go into the waiting area, there's like a huge cover that you're under. And he said it's all hand woven and most of it's brown. But if you look at the blue parts that are woven, it's actually the pattern of the actual Navi River. So I didn't know that. It was very interesting. Cool fact to know. But yeah, pretty neat. And it was really pretty under there. Like I would have that in my backyard.
And then when the line starts up this pathway until you're right up the hill.
To our right.
So these are called the floating mountains. Oh my God, it's so pretty.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a banshee.
I'm scared.
You guys ready? Restraints are coming up now.
Restraints activated.
Oh my God, that was tight.
Alright, and as I pass by, you guys will feel pushed inside. That's just me checking your restraints, alright?
Oh my god.
Guys, say hi.
Alright, folks, you guys ready for your flights?
I think
Mama, look
so.
down there.
Oh, there's a little thingy in front of me.
Yeah, it shows your face.
It shows my face.
Yeah, just keep waiting.
Is it like scanning me?
Well, it will show your face. That looks like.
My God. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so. Oh! Ooh! Ooh! Oh my goodness. Holy crap!
Behind you.
Oh, this is awesome. Woo! Oh my gosh. Holy cow. What's breathing?
It's a thing that we're on.
Oh. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Wow. Whoa. Oh my God, oh my gosh. That is amazing. Oh, we just went upside down.
the link chair, gather your belongings, and exit the link chamber.
This whole thing was going up and down.
Oh my God, that
Everybody, as you can see, we're in the car and we now have McDonald's. The fry just fell out. We are done for the day with Animal Kingdom. In my opinion, I think it was the hottest day by far. Yeah, I almost passed out. While me and Chloe had to trade positions of pushing a 170-pound lady. I'm being generous. I'm being generous.
oh my God.
I'm sorry.
125.
130. I promise we're not mean to our mother. But yeah, we had to push her. And yeah, that is basically what we did. Mom, what do you think? How do you think the day was?
It was a great day, but I'm sick of sitting. I don't like to sit.
Yeah,
I like
lucky
to
her.
move.
I'd love to be in her wheelchair.
No, I would have rather been walking.
Next time you can push me. Alright, well that's our vlog for today.
What was your best part?
Huh?
What was your favorite ride?
Oh, my favorite ride was, what's the ride called?
Flight of Passage?
Flight of Passage.
Oh my God, that was amazing.
I liked, or it was better than Soarin'. What was your favorite ride?
Either Everest or Flight of Passage for sure.
Yeah, I rode Everest.
Passage and Navi River were just pretty.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
And the smells and the music.
Yeah. Alright, well that is our vlog for today. Hope you I cannot speak. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day after watching this. And with that being said, have a fantastic day.
No, we don't have fantastic days anymore.
Have a Floridian day.
Have a good day. Thanks for watching.
Have a good day.